Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel DevOps Techs. Today I'm going to show you how to create EC2 instance using CloudFormation. CloudFormation is a service of AWS which supports or which provides a feature called infrastructure as code. So without wasting time, we are going to go to CloudFormation service. This is the default and a landing page of CloudFormation. For creating any sort of resource, we are supposed to create stacks. Just click on this create stack button and with new resources. So it provides different options. Template is ready, use a sample template or create template in designer. So we are going to go to create a template using designer and create template in designer. So what it would do, it would provide a platform or it would provide a IDE, you can say, to play around on it. Let's go to template. Okay, so over here we are writing the template using JSON, and over here what we need to do, we need to create a resource. Over here we need to create a resource of EC2 instance. We have inside the block of EC2 instance, what we need to do, we need to provide the type of what type of resource we need to create. The type would be AWS colon colon sorry AWS colon colon EC2 and colon colon and instance with capital I. Over here it good. And the next thing would be the properties. And the properties would be there would be few properties. We would use three properties: image ID, key name, and instance type. So first of all, image ID. We will provide it in a while. So we will not hard code the image ID and key name and the instance type. We would just call them using the parameters. So the parameter would be before the resources. Our first parameter would be image ID. And there would be type of image ID, the parameter, and it would be type string, and value would be default. And I'm gonna copy it 3 times. And the second thing would be key name and instance type. Okay. So it's time to provide the values of it's time to provide the values to parameters. So the first parameter value would be the image ID. So we would get it by going over here. We are gonna create the Amazon Linux AMI2. Just copy the AMI ID and paste it over here. Key name. So whatever the key I would have, like key pairs. I have this Faraz Virginia. It is my key pair name. And the instance type. Instance type would be t2.micro. Okay. And I'm gonna reference them in over here, like the image ID would be like this. What is okay? Okay. So our template is ready. We are just gonna go to validate it by clicking this. Template is valid, which means there is no syntax error. So we are just gonna create it like this. Okay. So the stack is about to ready. And our code is written, and I'm just gonna hit next. So it will ask the stack name. So I'm gonna give the name my new instance, and here is the next one. This is the tag of the stack. I'm gonna say to name my instance stack. It is always a good practice to provide the tags to the resources. The template is about to getting ready. Here is you can see the events of the stack is whatever the event is happening behind the scenes. So it shows like over here. Okay, my instance stack is over here. Um, and we have created our instance using CloudFormation stack. Our stack is complete and our process would also be completed, and our instance is up and running. Thank you.